We are done being cow-eyed and corralled. We are not black ties or casual Fridays. The boxes we fit in have not been built. Our labels have yet to be printed. We're tired of being judged, prejudged, misjudged, told how, when, and where to be as if our hearts were not the first alarms. We're not moving to the suburbs. This is our concrete, gravel, and glass, our playground. This is where we live. This is where we are redreaming the American dream, dreaming like we understand life is far too wide to fit inside of a corner office. We need more space to enjoy this ride. Why wait to be promoted when we can promote ourselves? Become spoke and throttle, become translucent insects humming through cities. Why be the road less traveled when we can be the untraveled street? We didn't just reinvent the wheel, we redreamed the entire machine. We are engineers of change. We are more revolutionary than revolution. We are evolution. Modern man, modern woman. We are the gears that turn. We are the device we have been waiting for. Reclaim your freedom. Take back your city. Go on. Ride.
Ride is about transportation. It's about allowing people to move freely. The beautiful thing about living in a city is that there's so much opportunity at your fingertips. Cities are modern marvels, but getting around them sucks. So we set out to create the first truly affordable and accessible electric vehicle designed for the modern urban lifestyle.
We built a bike that's light enough to ride like a traditional bike and arrived at one of the lightest electric bikes we've ever seen at just 35 pounds. To do this best, we decided the battery needed to be inside the frame.
We designed a bike that allows you to control how fast you go and how hard you work. It's easy. You can either pedal like you always have, twist the throttle and go 20 miles per hour, or do both at once and go even faster.
We worked with some of the best American manufacturers and designed a battery that not only fits inside of the frame, but gives you a 25-mile range, recharges in 2 hours, and weighs just 4 pounds. It even recharges while braking. We worked with top bike mechanics to choose high-performing components that could be serviced at any quality bike shop. It's rock solid and ready to go. It's even ready for the rain.
We started Ride with the belief that in a world with so much technology, we should have the choice to live a responsible urban lifestyle without sacrificing our wallet, time, or convenience. That's why we've taken to Kickstarter to ask for your support. Join us in making this mission a reality by backing us and sharing Ride on your social media. Together, we can take back our cities.
In today's fast-paced world, why waste time being boring? Our vision for a transport revolution in our crowded and polluted cities has led to the evolution of the YikeBike. It's not a bicycle. They haven't changed for the past 130 years. This is a true change in innovation, design, and engineering. We have created a new form of urban freedom that is unmatched and a joy to ride. From the beginning, our goal has been to create the world's most portable and safe personal transport device, offering rapid folding and electric drive technology. We have delivered the technology. Now it's time for you to ride it. The Model B offers you instant freedom with both the standard single rear wheel plus an additional set of rear dual wheels to enable you to have instant satisfaction while learning the dynamics and maneuverability of the YikeBike. This second version of the YikeBike was created after feedback from customers, enabling us to refine the design and target the features that you want. The Model C is simply the best we can offer, with the highest quality carbon fiber materials along with the latest battery technology. If you want to be at the highest level in everything you do, then this is for you. Each YikeBike is individually assembled by hand in Christchurch, New Zealand, and is the culmination of a devotion to design and uncompromised manufacturing quality.
Hi, I'm Lincoln Sell, the CEO of YikeBike. We all know that Kickstarter is a fantastic way to reward the community of early adopters. You'll be the first to get this new version of the YikeBike at a price not available in the future. Over the next 60 days, we'll be updating you on the new and exciting developments that my team's been working on, and sharing the sights from our bespoke manufacturing facility in New Zealand. As you can see from these pre-production bikes, our manufacturing systems are proven and our quality uncompromised. You have a few pledging options to suit your budget. My team will then custom build and deliver your YikeBike as soon as the campaign is over. We have a proven history in delivering the highest quality products. This campaign will ensure that you see more YikeBikes in a city near you. Thanks for backing us, and I look forward to meeting some of you soon.
Through Kickstarter, you can be one of the fortunate few to discover this new YikeBike in this pre-release opportunity. We are offering you the next evolution. It is improved, it is refined, it is quality engineering that is recognized by the international design industry and has made the front page of Time magazine. Your pledge will help us build capability and enable the YikeBike to reach more people around the world.